Hi, I'm Haley Lanter, registered dietitian and diabetes education clinic coordinator for North Oaks Health System, here to help you live well with diabetes. In our fast-paced world, it can be challenging to maintain a diabetes-friendly diet, but it's not impossible. Watch along and learn how to prepare quick, easy, delicious, high-fiber and low-carb meals and snacks to help you keep your blood sugar in check on the go. Do you want a sweet treat but want to avoid a blood sugar spike? Well, this recipe is the answer. We are going to be making a protein cookie dough. It's just 5 ingredients and all you need is a bowl and a spoon to mix it with. So first, we are going to add some vanilla flavored protein powder. You can use any type of protein powder you'd like. This one is whey. Then we have some coconut flour. We'll add that right in with the protein powder. We'll add a little dark chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate chips if you prefer, but the dark chocolate chips have those good antioxidants, so that's why I really like to use them here. Then we have a little bit of oats. And the last thing we're going to add is some unsweetened almond milk. So we'll pour that right in. And it's as simple as that. You just stir it well to combine. You can see it's starting to make a little cookie dough consistency. You may have to add a little bit of flour if it becomes too watery, but all you'll do is scoop it up and you can make little cookie dough scoops, put it in the fridge to chill it, or you can just eat it as is, and it's a delicious dessert. I hope this demonstration has taken away some of the guesswork for you when it comes to diabetes management and healthy eating. If you have any questions about North Oaks Diabetes Education Services and how we can help you, please give us a call at 985-230-6117, or you can feel free to visit our website at northoaks.org/diabetes.